Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the search for genetic material, transforming principle. In the year 1928, Frederick Griffith, scientist, conducted a series of experiments on Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay, what is the name of the bacterium? Streptococcus pneumoniae. Prokaryotic organisms. Bacterium responsible for pneumonia disease. The Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria causes pneumonia disease in organisms. During the course of his experiments, a living organisms, bacteria had changed in a physical form. When Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria are grown on culture plate, some of produces smooth shiny colonies while others produce rough colonies. This is because the S strain bacteria have mucus polysaccharide coat, while R strain does not. Here, one of the S strain of bacterium, the R strain. S strain, what is the differences here you are observed in between S strain and R strain of bacteria? In S strain of bacteria, the polysaccharide coat is present around the cell wall, whereas in R strain of bacteria, that polysaccharide coat is absent. So, two types of strains are there. One is S strain and R strain. Bacteria are differentiated into how many types based on the strains? Two types, S strain and R strain. Based on the shapes, how many types of bacteria are there? Four types. As per NCERT, already have learnt about that types of bacteria based on the shape. What are they? Coccus, bacilli, vibrio, spiral. Here, based on the staining, how many types of bacteria are there? Two types. Based on the staining procedure. What are they? Gram positive and gram negative. Okay, and based on the mode of nutrition, different types of bacteria. That concept already have learnt in first VSC. Here we are discussing about the strains of bacteria, S strain and R strain. Okay, the mice infected with S strain of bacteria die from pneumonia infection, but mice infected with R strain do not develop pneumonia. Whenever the S strain virulent, that causes disease, pneumonia disease. Whenever the S strain of bacteria injected in a mice, that leads to pneumonia disease, and finally that leads to death of an mice. Okay, R strain do not develop pneumonia. R strain do not develop pneumonia. S strain only causes pneumonia disease in mice, that leads to death, whereas R strain doesn't causes pneumonia in organism. Okay, here S strain injected into the mice die. Whenever the R strain injected into the mice that R strain doesn't causes pneumonia disease in mice, hence it is live. Griffith was able to kill bacteria by heating them. He observed that heat killed S strain bacteria injected into mice did not kill them. Heat killed S strain of bacteria. Whenever the heat killed S strain of bacteria injected into the mice, that heat killed strain bacteria are not able to cause the infection, pneumonia infection in mice. Okay, hence that heat killed strain of bacteria do not kill the mice. When he injected a mixture of heat killed S strain and live R strain bacteria, the mice died. Moreover, he recovered living S bacteria from the dead mice. He concluded that R strain bacteria had somehow been transformed by the heat killed S strain bacteria. Some strains, some heat killed strain bacteria, some transforming principle transferred from the heat killed S strain had enabled the R strain to synthesize a smooth polysaccharide coat and become virulent. Okay, and from this concept regarding PU point of view, subjective point of view, the few questions. One of the question, explain Griffith the transforming principle to search for genetic material. Okay, and here look, before that, whenever the S strain of bacteria are injected into the mice, that's lead to death of an organism. Whenever the R strain of bacteria injected into the mice is live. The organism doesn't destroy it because R strain is not causes infection, pneumonia infection into the mice. A strain is able to causes infection into the mice that leads to death of an organism. Whenever the S strain heat killed injected into the mice is live, not dead. Whenever the S strain heat killed mixture of S strain heat killed and R strain live bacteria injected into the mice, there it causes the infection, pneumonia infection that leads to death. Here the S strain heat killed bacterium genetic material entered into the R strain. Later it's developed a polysaccharide coat. Then it's able to causes the infection into the mice. That leads to death of animals. Okay. So what is the question regarding this concept? Subjective point of view. Explain Griffith transforming principle to search for genetic material. Next, another question. Which bacterium was used in a transforming principle? Which bacterium was used? The Streptococcus pneumoniae. From this concept, a few need related questions we will discuss here. One of the question, which of the following bacterium was used in a transforming principle? What is the answer? Streptococcus. And next question, the following equations refers to Griffith demonstration of transformation in pneumococcus, Streptococcus pneumoniae or pneumococcus. A, B, C and D indicates the fates of mice after they are injected with specific bacteria. Identify the fates of mice. A strain injected into mice. It's A. We have to find that answer. R strain whenever the R strain injected into the mice. S strain heat killed injected into mice. See, S strain heat killed mixture of S strain heat killed and R strain live bacterium injected into the mice. Okay, S strain injected into the mice. That mice is dying. S strain injected. R strain injected into the mice. Mice is lives, not dead. Okay, A dies, B lives, and S strain heat killed injected into the mice, heat killed lives, and D mixture of S strain heat killed and R strain, that's dies. Which option is the correct answer? Option A. Here S strain dies, R strain lives, S strain lives, S strain heat kill, and R strain dies. Option C is the correct answer.